Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be giving you guys my Sephora VIB sale. I'm not like a Sephora addict, like I'm not. I just wait for them to throw the sales out there and the discounts, and that's when I go in there and shop, just because I prefer Ulta. Ulta has better point values and then you can redeem them, you know. That's how I feel. Let me know what's your favorite, Ulta or Sephora. I definitely love Ulta, but other than that, I did pick up some goodies that I wanted to share with you guys today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Let's go ahead and jump into the bag. Like I said, I didn't pick up too much because Sephora is not my favorite place to shop in particular, just because I feel like Ulta has better point values and you can redeem those points and stuff like that. So I love Ulta, but Sephora had their VIB sale, so I had to take advantage and pick up some goodies that I've been wanting for a very long time. So one of the products is the Fenty Beauty foundation. I've been wanting it since it came out, but I was like, let me wait until they send out the 20%, 10%, whatever, a discount code so I can go pick it up, because I don't like Sephora too much, but Fenty is only sold at Sephora. But I had to wait, so I went ahead and picked it up with a discount, and I got mine in the shade 310. Now I'm still on the fence. I have it on today. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's a little bit tad orange, so I might have to go down again, because I did pick it up and it was way too light, so I had to go exchange it for this one. Now I feel like this one is too orangey on my skin, so I'm gonna see how it is throughout the day, but I do have it on right now. I mean, I love the finish. I love the dewiness of it. You guys know I love dewy skin, just because I do have dry skin, so I love any foundation that is dewiness. Like, I'm all for it, but I'm excited. I love it so far. I don't know, I'm kind of thrown off with the color, but I'll let you guys know if I end up changing it again. So another thing that I did pick up were this little gift set. This is so cute. This is the Laniege sleeping mask. This is the day and night. I had to pick this up because, one, a lot of people talked about it, that it's a very good sleeping mask, and the chapstick, well, the lip glowing balm is like bomb. So I was like, oh, okay, I definitely want to try it. My sister tried it. She said she loved it, so I was like, let me go ahead and take advantage and pick this up, because I think it was $19 for the little set. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead, pick it up. If I like it, I could definitely go ahead and buy the bigger one. So I got that. And then another thing I did was another gift set. Like, I love little gift sets because I love to get little mini size things, so I can try them out first before committing to the bigger one. I just feel like it's better doing it this way than buying a big old bottle and I'm not liking it. So I went ahead and got the Kheils. This is the Ultra Face Duo. So it has the cleanser, and then it also has the facial cream. So I was like, this is such a good deal, and it was only $19, guys. $19 for the set. Like, I was like, oh my god, that is such a good deal. So I definitely went ahead and picked this up, because you guys know I love to try new things. And then the next thing I did get was the Huda Beauty little mini palette. This is the nude palette right here. Now, I wasn't gonna pick this up because I was like, it's just a regular palette. I love the packaging. That is for sure. I love it. It has like that snake skin feel to it. Definitely beautiful. I just love it. And then I saw the colors inside. I was like, oh my god, this is beautiful. I love like plush pink and nudes like that. Like, I love those. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get it. Afterwards, I'm gonna leave the store and be like, damn, I should have got it. But I got it because I was like, oh my god, it sold me. I like the colors. It's very pretty, very girly, which I like. So I went ahead and got that. And then one of the last things that I did get was perfume. I got my Burberry blush. This perfume, I've never smelled a Burberry perfume before, and oh my god, this one smells amazing, like amazing. And the description said that it smells like floral. This is beautiful. I love the smell. When I sprayed it on the little paper and I was like, wait, let me, oh my, I fell in love with the scent. I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get this. And it smells delicious. Like I just could spray this all over my body. Like I love it. It just smells delicious. So if you guys are looking for a new perfume, I definitely recommend this one from Burberry. It's called Burberry Blush. And I'll show you guys the packaging. It's just so cute. I just love it. And I'm like, I have this obsession with perfumes lately. Like I've been loving perfumes. Like I got 3 or 4 perfumes like 2 weeks ago, and now I got this one. So I'm like, okay, I gotta cool it with the perfumes because I have way too many now. But I also want to show you guys what I picked up at Walmart also. Just because my Sephora haul was a little bit small, I want to show you guys some of the goodies that I did pick up at Walmart. Because I did pick up some oldies but goodies. So I went ahead and picked up, again, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Guys, this was the biggest hype years ago, and then I stopped using it because, you know, other concealers come out and then you start using those and you forget about all the old stuff. So I went ahead and picked this up again just to try it out, and I got mine in the shade Honey. Guys, I started using it again and I love it. It's really, really nice. Very good coverage. I wouldn't say super full coverage, but I love the coverage of it. Like I definitely have to go in with a little bit of another concealer just to give me that full coverage, just because I feel like this is not giving me enough. You guys know I'm pregnant, so it's hard for me to sleep. So I got the bags under the eyes. Struggle is real, and the struggle is going to keep getting real once my baby boy is here, because I know it's going to be team no sleep. So I went ahead and picked that up, and then I also picked up one of these. I used to do the color correcting a lot. Like in the beginning of YouTube, I used to always do color correcting under my eyes. It was like a never fail. I always used to apply it. But then I stopped. I ran out and I stopped using it. So I was like, let me pick it up again and see if it does anything for my eyes now. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing to put under your foundation, or you could put it under the concealer. Either way, it's amazing. You definitely want to do color correcting if you're like suffering from darkness under the eyes like me. This is good for that. And this is the Hard Candy Cushion Wonder, and I have mine in the shade, does it even have a shade here? Oops. I usually contrasts the darkness under your eyes, so I think this is in peach if I'm not mistaken. I just cannot find the shade of it. It doesn't say anything, but it's a color corrector in the shade peach. I know it's peach because usually that's what you always use for the darkness under the eyes. So that is what I picked up from there. And then I also picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I used to use this powder a lot when it first came out, and then I stopped using it. Like I said, other powders came out, and then I just put this to the back, and then I threw it out like a year ago, and I was like, wait, let me try the powder again, because a lot of people are bringing it up again and saying that it's amazing. And I was like, yeah, I think if I try it again, I might fall in love again. Guys, this powder is good. I don't use it for under my eyes, but I definitely use it for setting my entire face. This is such a good powder for that, so I definitely recommend it. I have mine in the shade a light medium, and I absolutely love it. But yeah, those are some oldies but goodies. So that is my Sephora and Walmart haul put together for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.